morning, guys, and welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Today, I just wanted to do something different. This is just my typical morning routine after dropping off the kids. I usually come back and brush my teeth and wash my face and usually get ready for the day because I don't have enough time in the morning to do all that before I go take the kids because I need my beauty rest. So I usually come back after dropping them off, and then I'll come back and take care of myself, like really take care of myself. But it's kind of hard when you have a toddler, and I'm so excited for her to go to preschool because then I'll have a little bit of chance to take better care of myself. And self-care is very important, especially when you have little ones and you forget to take care of yourself. Because prior to children, you were always taking care of yourself. So it's important to continue to take care of yourself. Plus, you feel better. Trust me. If you wake up and you were to put as much effort as you put into your children, into yourself, you feel so much better throughout the day and you just function better. And that's one of the things I want to start doing in 2020 is to start taking better care of myself and investing more into me, because at the end of the day, life is going to go by and everything else is just going to continue to pile up, and before you know it, children are moved out and you done neglect yourself so much that it's like so hard to regain your footing back in life. So it's best to do it now. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and let you guys enjoy this morning routine / I don't know Vlogmas. Hopefully the next 2 weeks of Vlogmas will be more interesting than these because I'll have better content. Anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing Wednesday, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. What? Huh? The toddler's trying to find me. I can't even have 5 seconds to myself. What do you need? I'm gonna go fix her breakfast. But I just wanted to hop on here and tell you guys good morning. I'm gonna go get dressed and clean up this house. Probably wrap some presents. Oh, tired. You had to come in my bathroom to pee? stop here. Still got a sink full of dishes, but I'm not worried about that. Right now, my main goal, my focus, my priority is to get the toddler some breakfast. So right now, I'm making her oatmeal in the microwave. I just put some milk, apple and cinnamon oatmeal, and I'm gonna put some peanut butter. And I think she said she wanted banana. This could go another 30 seconds. I think she said she wanted banana, because I try to give her fruit in the mornings, because she's getting pickier. So I don't know what's that about. So, and then after that, I'm gonna go and drink my coffee. So since I have you guys here, let's select my map for the day, because I like doing that with you guys. I need a ton of caffeine because I feel kind of sluggish. Feel a little sluggish today. I don't know why. I feel depression kicking in, but I can't. I'm 2 weeks away from Christmas, so I can't have like a full-on meltdown right now. I really can't. So I'm gonna try my best to, continue with my routine of taking care of myself, the house, and the kids, because I find that if I'm make myself really busy, there's no time for depression and anxiety and all of that. So, and I'm trying. There's a lot of stuff going on in my personal life that I don't bring to YouTube. So, you might look at my life and be like, oh, you have a perfect life, but in reality, it's not perfect. Anything you see on YouTube, no matter how happy or go-lucky people are, don't believe it, okay? Don't believe. People always put their best foot forward, and me personally, I try not to be all perfect on here and show perfection, because that just leads people to believe that life is full of bed of roses, and it's not. So I try my best to inspire you guys, at the same time trying to keep it real, and at the same time trying to keep my personal life off of YouTube, because you put too much personal stuff on YouTube and everybody's in your business, and there's a lot of people that watch. The neighbors, they watch. My husband's co-worker watch. Friends, family. Everybody is going to be all up in my Kool-Aid, and I don't want that. So I'm going to go feed this toddler before she get really, really cranky, and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I chose the mug caffeine. I think I need a lot of caffeine. Hang on. Okay, I think this is a better angle. Trying to make great content for you guys. So, but this is Madison's, her oatmeal. That's my coffee, her oatmeal, and I'm gonna put some creamy peanut butter in here for her, and I'm gonna cut up this apple, but I gotta wash it. Okay, so I'm gonna give her about one side of this apple, and I'm gonna cut it up in her oatmeal. I need to get my cutting board, but I'm too lazy right now. Plus these countertops are going soon. Nothing's wrong with them. I want white. I wish they had, if there was white laminate, I would have totally be happy, but I want white. I don't like the brown. Not a fan. I mean, it's okay, but I'm not a fan of brown, white, gray. No, it just doesn't work. So I think I'm gonna do that much, because I don't want her to get grossed out, because any little thing makes her grossed out, which is kind of weird. I'm gonna see if I can dip the spoon in this peanut butter. Oh no. I think I did it. It's all clean. So I'm gonna put a little bit of peanut butter in here for her. She usually likes it like this. Some mornings, and some mornings she's like, oh, she's like a cereal kind of girl. Just give her her cereal, and that's it. Don't try to make anything fancy for her. But I want to get like really good stuff in her little body, like, you know, nourish the child properly, but she's not having it. So we shall see how much of that she eats. Now I'm gonna put that to the side and then work on my coffee. So I usually put 2 spoons of coffee in mine. I have to test it because if the water is too hot, it tends to come over. So I'm gonna put 2 of that. And so I usually do the hazelnut and then the sugar-free. So I just have the Walmart brand hazelnut, and I have a little bit of sugar-free. And I like my coffee to be like really creamy, like really, really creamy, but I'm out of sugar-free. So I'm gonna have to be careful because I am down to $1.95, guys. $1.95, and that's a lot. Stop jumping. That's a lot coming from $2.24, almost $2.27 at one point. So I'm not trying to go back up. Anyways, I'm gonna go enjoy my coffee and feed the toddler. Okay, Maddie, come on. Where do you want to sit? Here, sit right here, because you like to make messes. Where? See? I'm at her mercy. She pick and choose where she wants to. Oh, she wants to sit at the dining table. Oh, Lord. Here you go. Enjoy, okay? You want cereal? This is cereal, though. Look, it's cereal. That is cereal. Look, taste it. Come here. Taste it. Taste it. Come, look. Come. Yummy. Taste it. Come, try it. Open. Open. Yummy. Oh, you know you like it. Oh, is it good? Better than that cereal, huh? Okay, now you try it. There's some apples in here too. Wanna try the apple? Okay, enjoy, okay? That was close. Told you, she likes her cereal. So hopefully she eats the whole thing. I'm gonna go clean up back my little mess, and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. It's much later, guys. I'm sorry. But Rob is home, and I had to take him upstairs and de-stress him. So he's all de-stressed now. You know, just nothing, no PG, nothing. Just get your mind out the gutter. He had a long day at work, okay? All right? My bonnet's still on. She's in her bonnet. I'm going to change my channel to, honey, I'm going to change the channel to she's in her bonnet. Because when she's in her bonnet, she get a lot of stuff done, including de-stressing the husband, okay? We're getting ready to do dinner, Mommy. We're getting ready to start on dinner. This little one had a bath, and she's feeling fancy. So I'm going to get started on dinner and then come back to you guys in a second. Rob is going to help me. He's such an amazing husband. I am so blessed. I can't even begin to describe how blessed I am because
why do you make dinner late?
He's getting ready to, why? Yeah. Ask Rob. Why was dinner late, Rob? It's 5:30 and dinner's late per the little one. You want banana? Let me go tend to these kids and then come back. Okay, so for dinner tonight we're having ground turkey, pepper, corn, and tomato. And it's going to be served over a big salad. The kids are working on the salad right now.
For the whole thing.
And then Rob is preparing a can of black beans. So that's it. Dinner is really simple, and we're trying to have the kids eat this way as well, so that they get used to this new lifestyle. Can I have some ice cream, please, ma'am? Yes. Oh, thank you so much. It was really delicious. Thank you. Bye.
Daddy, I want ice cream.
No ice cream. Ice cream, please.
They could hire you at Subway
Yeah.
to make chopped salads.
No.
Or vanilla. Vanilla.
Here.
I'll go get vanilla.
Stop doing that, Jason. That's annoying.
That's why
Baby, you crushing out that pepper in there, aren't you?
Yeah, that's the point of it.
Ugh! I don't want my mouth.
we need back. You
I just don't want my mouth to be on fire tonight. Dude, don't be tossing stuff over the food. Don't do that. Where's Jordan?
Upstairs.
Upstairs.
Oh Lord, what is he doing up there? Is he writing letters again?
Probably.
Nah, I wouldn't.
If he spent as much time as he does writing those letters on his work, he wouldn't be failing.
Oh, he doesn't.
Ice cream.
I'm gonna need to buckle down on that. Dude.
Vanilla?
That's what you should understand.
Yeah, the lady called me again from school, so I'm trying to go see her tomorrow.
What time?
I don't know. I'm just gonna go up there. I think she said she gave me some time. I just got to look in my thing.
You wrote it down this time?
Yeah, I did.
And you sent it back to her?
No, I wrote it down.
I am done.
I wrote the time down. She apologized. She said it was her fault.
Oh, sorry.
She did admit, and she was like, I apologize for all the inconvenience. I feel so bad. I'm so sorry that your husband took off work and was here. And, you know, she said she felt bad. So she's admitting guilt.
You gotta do it.
Right?
Wait, no.
I know, but it is what it is. So, hi. Why are you still wearing those same? Are those the
You
same
think that's enough or we
jeans?
need another one?
Yeah, those yesterday.
We need another one? That's enough. That's 7 of us.
7 of us.
Um,
7 of us.
Yeah, we need another one. That's just you and I. We need another bag. And how long? No, one, babe. One. We still have one more night. You put cucumber.
Yeah.
Did you put cucumber in?
Yes.
No, you want some?
Yeah, put some cucumber in there.
I was like, yeah.
We don't have any more tomato. Well, we have tomato in there, so.
All cucumbers?
Yeah, cucumber. Give that to Daddy.
All cucumbers. Here you go, cucumbers.
Yeah,
That's on the floor.
You know me.
we're gonna need at least. There's a thing. Take that out of there.
Cucumbers? Huh?
I'm done. I mean, I'm finished.
Alright. Flip it. No, upside down. Yep. Now you get this side. Get in the sink. I don't like the skin all the time.
You gotta keep turning it, buddy.
What's in the oven?
Hold it. I know it's slippery.
Have ice cream?
There we go.
Dude, you gotta hang on to it. You gotta grip it.
Turn
I
it.
know nothing about what y'all are talking about.
Get these out the way.
Rob, you have to grip it.
Wait, just a second. No, more. More.
Rob, don't play with the head.
Hmm?
And then I'll fix it.
Alright. Wash it off.
Dinner is served. This is so good. Put a little bit of sour cream and that's it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.